Okay, we're gonna try bleeding brakes here. So you got two methods. You got the gravity feed like I do, or you got the pressure, what he wants to do. So let's try the pressure one. If it doesn't work, we do the gravity.
Okay.
We can still do gravity after you do pressure too. Now the problem with the master cylinder up top is right now your handlebars are turned and you got limited volume in there. So you gotta be careful about dumping all the fluid out.
Right.
Okay, so let's go ahead and do the, let's try this. We'll do it like a car. You pump up a couple times, pop the bleeder, let it release, see what happens.
Okay,
Usually on motorcycle it doesn't work for crap, so don't do it that way. You got a bleeder screw? A wrench or something?
Yep, so I got ones on it on that side, and then the other one, you just use this. I've kind of broken this.
I don't like
The right side.
like that. I like these
Oh, but I only got one. It's on this side.
wrench.
Right here. There's one on that side.
You got a wrench right there. See how it works?
Yeah.
Way better than pliers.
Alright,
Okay, we got a piece of paper towel somewhere, or disposable napkin.
right here.
Okay, which line's the furthest?
Far side.
Huh?
Far side.
No, there's no difference.
Yeah, there's no difference because it kind of centers it.
It's not a car. There's only one wheel. We'll do this side first. Okay, you gotta cover over your, well, it's still at 5, so it's not, you don't have to worry about hurting the paint, but just throw out a towel up there to protect it.
Here.
Get a real towel, the whole thing. Here, this red one right here. I like covering up the whole in black, not just think the mess I'm gonna be, because it's gonna spray everywhere.
Right.
Clean this around the dash. And then it's just gonna spurt it straight up in the air and just keep that near the cylinder up there when you're working on it, and you should be fine.
You need this down there.
Yes, I do need, yes.
Alright.
Just give me a couple pumps, just let me get some fluid out of there for you. I'm assuming the fluid's clean up there, not healthy or something?
Basically empty up here.
You are empty, that's not good. Okay,
Because I had to drain the lines, I had to pull the lines, you know?
okay, so let's get some fluid in there. See, that's gravity feed, you gotta get this thing fed in there. See, the problem is the air bubble's here and you can't get the bubble out to get the fluid going again. You gotta prime the master cylinder a little bit, at least attempt to. See how the bubbles come up there every time you pull that? You only have to pull it like about 1/8 of an inch. See how every time you do that, you got bubbles coming out? Going fast just aerates it, so don't go fast.
Just happened here. More bubbles.
Okay, hold on, and let's see if we can get something out of this thing. Ready?
Yep.
Nothing. Let go.
Hold on. I didn't do anything.
Get your pull on it.
Tell me when it's open now. Tell me when you're open.
Full pressure. Now I open. Now I close. Let go. Give me a couple pumps to pump up some pressure. You got some volume in there. You open up right now. Close it. Okay. Closed. Okay. This is not going to work. We have to work together here. So, when I say okay, that means you pull the thing all the way down and hold it. Then I open the valve, then I close the valve, and you let go of the lever. That's how brakes work.
Okay.
If you have the thing out like that and have the valve open, all you do is just let air through.
Okay.
Now, if you want to try to gravity grade it by pouring fluid in there and let it come out the other side, you can try that method. I don't use it. A lot of people try to do it that way, but it's not
So
me.
because you're gonna, that bleeder's on the top of that brake down there, so you got.
Well, there's air in there right now. That air is still not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay, so give me about 3 pumps. Just steady pumps, not fast. A little faster than that. Got any resistance at all? Probably
No,
not.
0.
Okay, you holding it? No, you're not holding it. You gotta give me 3 pumps. That means hold it. You have to build up pressure in the system. And then hold it. Now I come over here and hit it. I close it, let go. Is the fluid doing anything on top or just sitting there?
I was just sitting there, I'm not doing anything.
Okay, keep going. Give me some more pumps. Ready?
Can I hold it in, you're saying?
Hold it, yep, okay. Pop, tighten. Okay, let go. Give me about 5 more pumps, I'll flip the other side here.
Okay, I'm in.
Okay, let go. Do it again. Did I hear something up there?
Okay, I'm in.
All the way down?
Yep.
Up, tighten, okay. Is any movement at all going on? Same fluid height? Did it drop at all?
Not really, just getting a few bubbles.
Okay, ready?
I'm in.
Okay, let go. Anything happening?
No.
Okay, this isn't working. Okay, let's go try it my way. He's got 2 major problems. The master cylinder is angled the wrong way, so air bubbles are staying right here. Because air goes up, fluid stays low. So this needs to be the other way to prime the master cylinder. Next problem is you have a lot of brake line area between the 2 brakes getting down to each bubble, so each down here. So it's not really doing anything. So we'll get that up there. He's getting a few bubbles up there, but it's not really priming the master cylinder correctly. But now we're going to fix that. I'm going to do it my way.
Can I have a Phillips?
Let's draw.
3rd down, 4th down.
Phillips?
Yep. Nope.
Phillips?
Thank you.
Is that the right side? You need a small one.
That works, perfect.
Another rider for up there. Your hands are going to get dirty, so.
Okay.
Give me the fluids. Okay, so I'm going to drop it down. Get out of the way, that one's fine. We got to pull off the rack far enough that we can turn the handlebar. We might just drop it all the way off the rack.
Yep.
You got the ramp or not? All right, we'll be back.